Good afternoon. This video is about how to add your own Schoology folder. So if you go up here to add materials, you'll click add folder. Name it what you'd like. So if you haven't created a distance learning folder yet and you do not want to upload mine from resources, this is how you do it. So you would title it distance learning. If you want to add 2020 to it, you can. If you want to make it a different color, you can. In my description, I put all Q4 materials. Up to you if you want to do that. You can add a due date if you want. I did not. And then you would click create. Once you click create, it'll load. And then you'll see that it pops up there. If you have questions about it, let me know. Thanks, guys.